गाइस, तो एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है आपके अपने चैनल ज्योग्राफी लवर्स में। तो हमने 2019 जेएनयू का पेपर हाफ सॉल्व किया था फर्स्ट पार्ट में। अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो वो देख लीजिए। एंड अब हम आधा पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे इस पार्ट में। तो 41 क्वेश्चन, बायोटिक कंपोनेंट ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट इंटरेक्ट विथ बायोटिक and abiotic component of the environment. Central places are so named because serve as a nodal point for the distribution of goods and services to surrounding area. According to the census of India, which one of the following does not constitute an urban area? The number of activity performed by the settlement. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Underpopulation occurs when a country has a few people to develop its resource. Which one of the following define the concept of culture in geography? All of this. Currently, the world population stands at approximately 6.5 billion persons. Who among the following said the man is a product of environment or surface? This statement was made by Alan C. Semple. For working out growth of population, we required birth, death, in migration, out migration for the period. Lebensraum was coined by Friedrich Ratzel. Intense subsistence farming is characteristics of area. None of these. Who among the following is the author of Ederkunde? Karl Ritter. The four most densely area of the world is C. East Asia, South Asia, Europe, North America. Which one of the following is main limitation of the Davidian geographical cycle? Assumption that all landforms end up in a peneplain. The non-acumen area of the world are mostly concentrated in high mountain range of Himalaya. Which one of the following is not associated with trade wind? It's a warm, dry wind. In describing the pattern and process of spatial interaction, geographers are most concerned with accessibility and connectivity. Which of these is not accepted effect of global climate change? Expanding glacier. The theory concept suggesting that continent of South America and Africa were once joined together was continental drift theory. Which one of the following capture the concept of territory? All of the above. The domestication of plant and animal originated during the Holocene. Which of the following do not result in variable result of the world population growth during 21st century? The rapid growth of elderly population. The sky look blue because selective scattering of radiation by atmosphere. The gravity model and potential model in population and settlement study differ from each other because the potential model accounts for interaction between many places while the gravity model deals with only two places at a time. Population threshold of the central place for any service depict minimum population required for a service. In India, demographic transition, which census period has been refers to as a steady growth. 1921 to 1951. Which of the statement is correct regarding Himachal Pradesh? A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. When the International Monetary Fund of the World Bank introduced the purchasing power priority measure in 1993, the relative importance of the third world countries are increased. If coefficient of correlation between two variables is minus 0.8, then which one of the following inference is correct? B. Both variables are negatively correlated. Site of settlement refers to the absolute location of the settlement. Coefficient of correlation values between two attributes should be -1 to +1. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Bihar is surrounded by Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand. Which one of the statement is not true about population census? Flow data on population dynamic. Which of the following statement concerning the multiplier effect is correct? The size of the effect is determined by the city basic and non-basic ratio. Which one of the following factors are responsible for the rapid growth of information and technology industry in South India as compared to North India? B. 1, 2, 4. Match the following: Saffron, Kashmir; Gangotri Glacier, Uttarakhand; atomic power, Norara; coal, Jharia. Means A. Which one of the following is not correct with reference of the urban system? B. L. J. Berry introduced the term. Which of the following statements regard the role of women in agriculture is not correct? Women farmers share equal rewards with male counterparts farmer. With respect of relationship between GNP and energy consumption, the following should be each increase in direct relation to each other. Which of the following set of capital letter was used by Köppen for representing climate classification? ये क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप था. Birth and death rate are described as crude because they related to change without any regards and the age or sex composition of the population. Okay guys, then thank you for watching this video. जल्दी मिलेंगे एक न्यू वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.